వెల్కమ్ టు చిన్ను మ్యాథ్స్ ట్యుటోరియల్. వీడియో చూస్తున్న ప్రతి ఒక్కరు కూడా మన చిన్ను మ్యాథ్స్ ట్యుటోరియల్ ఈ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. అలాగే పక్కనే గంట సింబల్ ఉంటుంది, దాన్ని ప్రెస్ చేయండి. అగైన్ మీకు 3 ఆప్షన్స్ వస్తాయి, అందులో ఆల్ అనే ఆప్షన్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. అప్పుడే నేను పెట్టే ప్రతి వీడియో కూడా మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్ రూపంలో అందుతుంది. సో ఈ వీడియోకి ఒక లైక్ ఇవ్వండి. అలాగే ఈ వీడియోను మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరికీ కూడా షేర్ చేసి మన యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్కు సపోర్ట్ చేయండి. ఒక చిన్న రిక్వెస్ట్ ఏంటంటే మన సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్ అందరికీ కూడా, సో మీరు కంపల్సరీ మీరు చూసిన ప్రతి వీడియోను కూడా, మన యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్లో ఉన్న ప్రతి వీడియోను కూడా మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కు షేర్ చేయండి. కంపల్సరీ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోమని చెప్పండి. సో ఎక్కువ మంది సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్ అయితే సో మన ఛానల్ కూడా బూస్టింగ్ అవుతుంది. సో ఇప్పటివరకు మంచి సపోర్ట్ ఇచ్చారు, ఈ సపోర్ట్ని ఇలాగే కంటిన్యూ చేయండి. ఈ ఛానల్కి సపోర్ట్ చేసిన అందరికీ కూడా వెరీ వెరీ థ్యాంక్స్. లెట్స్ డిస్కస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. Find the trace of a given matrices. See here, suppose the given matrices I will take A equal to 1, 3, minus 5 and 2, minus 1, 5, 2, 0, 1. It is a given matrices. I will take it is equal to matrices of A. So what is the definition of the trace? The trace is nothing but the sum of the elements in a principal diagonal is called that trace. So then what is the elements of the principal diagonal? These are the elements of the principal diagonal. So then trace of A equal to, the trace of A equal to trace of A, or it is denoted as trace A. It is equal to the sum of the principal diagonal. So what is the elements of the principal diagonal is 1, minus 1 and 1. If you are adding 1, minus 1, plus 1, plus 1, minus 1 both are gets cancelled, you will get 1. It is the trace of the given matrices. Next, take the example problem 3. Find the trace of given the matrices. The given matrices I will take matrices of A. So what is the trace means? The sum of the elements of the principal diagonal is called the trace. So then first you have to identify what is the principal diagonal is. This is the principal diagonal. The elements of the principal diagonal is 1, minus 1 and 1. So then we can write trace A equal to, trace of A equal to the sum of the elements of the principal diagonal. So then 1, minus 1, plus 1, plus 1, minus 1 both are gets cancelled, you will get the trace of A equal to 1. Next problem. The given matrices of A and matrices of B, we have to find B minus A and 4A minus 5B. So first I will take the first one. We can find the matrices of B minus of A equal to, what is the matrices of B equal to? Minus 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, minus 1. It is the matrix B. And minus of the matrix A is 0, 1, 2. Next to 2, 3, 4 and 4, 5, minus 6. So subtraction of the two matrices. So take the corresponding elements, we have to subtract. So then minus 1, minus 0, then 2 minus of 1, 2 minus of 1, next 3 minus of 2. Take the corresponding elements. 0 minus of 2, next 1 plus into minus, minus of 3, then 0 minus of 4, next 0 minus 4, 0 minus 5, minus 1, minus into minus plus, so then minus 1 plus 6. It is equal to minus 1, then 2 minus 1 equal to 1, 3 minus 2 equal to 1, 0 minus 2 equal to minus 2, again minus 2, minus 4, so then minus 4, minus 5 and 5. It is the value of B minus A. What is the second question is, find 4A minus 5B. Then 4A minus of 5B. See here, you can observe that 4A is the scalar multiple of the matrices. The matrices of A, every element of the matrices of A is multiplied by 4. Every element of the matrices of B is multiplied by 5 according to the definition of scalar multiplication of a matrices. So then 4 into matrices of A equal to 0 1 2, matrices of A equal to 0 1 2 and 2 3 4, then 4 5 minus 6. Next minus 5 into matrices of B equal to minus 1 2 3 and 0 1 0 and 0 0 minus 1. So then every element of this matrices is multiplied by 4. So it is equal to 4 into 0 4, 4 into 1 4, 4 into 0 0, 4 into 1 4, 4 2 ja 8, again 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16, again 4 4 ja 16, 4 5 ja 20, 4 6 ja 24, that is equal to minus 24. Minus of, in second matrix also same, every element of this matrices is multiplied by 5. Then 5 into minus 1 minus 5, 5 into 2 10, 5 into 3 15, 5 into 0 0, 1 into 5 5 and 5 into 0 0, again 0 0 minus 5. Next subtract the corresponding elements. 0 minus of minus 5 equal to plus 5, then 4 minus of 10 equal to minus 6, 8 minus of 15 equal to minus 7. Next one, 8 minus of 0 8, 12 minus of 5 equal to plus 7, 16 minus of 0 equal to 16. Next 16 minus 0 16, 20 minus 0 20 and minus 24, minus into minus plus 5, minus 24 plus 5 equal to minus 19. So it is the required matrices. It is the equivalent to 4a minus 5b. Next we discuss last question for this exercise. First exercise, given the matrices of A and B, find 3b minus 2a value. So then 3b minus of 2a equal to 3 into matrices of B. So then 3 2 1, 1 2 3, then minus of 2 into A matrix. So 1 2 3, next to 3 2 1. See here, according to the definition of scalar multiplication of the matrices, every element of this matrices is multiplied by 3, every element of this matrices is multiplied by 2. So then you will get 3b matrices and you will get 2a matrices. So then it is equivalent to, then multiply 3 into 3 9, 3 2 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3. Next 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9. Minus of, multiply by 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. Next 6 4 2. Subtraction of the two matrices, we have to subtract the corresponding elements. So then 9 minus of 2, 6 minus of 4, 3 minus of 6. Next 3 minus of 6, 6 minus of 4, 9 minus of 2. It is equal to 3b minus of 2a. 9 minus 2 equal to 7, 6 minus 4 equal to 2, 3 minus of 6 equal to minus 3. Okay, next 3 minus 6 equal to minus 3, 6 minus 4 2, 9 minus 2 7. This is the required solution. Next we discuss example problems. The example problem 2, the given two matrices are equal, then find the x, y, z and a value. So already we done this type of question in exercise. So let's see, from the equality of matrices, from the equality of matrices, what is the equality of matrices? The equality of matrices says that the corresponding elements are equal. So what is the corresponding element of x minus 1 equal to? The x minus 1, the corresponding element is equivalent to 1 minus x. It is equal to 1 minus x. So from this, minus x can be written as here, minus 1 can be written as here. So then x plus x equal to 1 plus 1. It is equal to 2x equal to 2. the equal terms both are gets cancelled, so then you will get the x value equal to 1. Okay, next the corresponding element of y minus 5 equal to this corresponding element is minus 5, so it is equal to minus 5. So then minus y can be written as, here the sign should be changed, so then y plus y equal to minus 5 can be written as, here that is equal to plus 5, 2y equal to 5, y equal to 5 by 2. Next, the corresponding element of z equal to, directly you have to write 2, z equal to 2, directly you will get the value equal to z equal to 2. Next, after that 1 plus a, the corresponding element of 1 plus a equal to 1, this corresponding element is equal to 1. So then plus 1 can be written as, here then a equal to 1 minus of 1, so then a equal to 0. So you will get the value of x equal to 1, y equal to 5 by 2, z equal to 2 and a equal to 0. Next example problem. Find the additive inverse of the matrices of A. The given matrices of A equal to I0 1, 0 minus I2 and minus 1 1 5. So find the additive inverse. So then you can write additive inverse of A is, what is the additive inverse of A equal to? That is equal to minus A. The additive inverse of A equal to minus A. How you can define the additive inverse? So matrices and additive matrices. We discuss next problem. Find the additive inverse of A. The given matrices of A is this one. So then the additive inverse of A is minus A according to the definition of additive inverse. So then minus A can be written as minus 1 into A. So definition of the scalar multiple of matrices. So then it is equal to minus of 1 into the matrices of A equal to I 0 1 and 0 minus I 2 minus 1 1 5. Every element of this matrices is multiplied by minus 1. So then it is equal to minus 1 into I minus I, 0 into minus 1 0, minus 1 into 1 minus 1 and 0 into something 0, minus into minus plus 1 into I. So minus into 2 minus 2, then minus into minus plus 1, plus into minus minus 1, then plus into minus, that is equal to minus 5. It is the minus A. Minus A is nothing but it is the additive inverse of the matrices of A.